If anyone wants to transform the plastics industry in Southeast Asia with sustainable practices to tackle plastic waste pollution, it is our next guest from Vietnam. Dr. Long is the chairman of the Eco-Friendly Product Manufacturers Association in Vietnam and the deputy CEO at NFAT Holdings, a leading group in advanced technology and environment-friendly plastic production in Vietnam. It is also the leading compostable packaging manufacturer in Southeast Asia. With a PhD in science materials from École Polytechnique in France, he focuses his works on R&D of innovative and sustainable polymer. Since 2017, he joins NFAT Holdings as the head of R&D, focusing on compostable plastics. We are very pleased to have him here and that he gives us a keynote talk. His topic is Biodegradable Plastics Made in Vietnam, Overview and Outlook. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Long from EPMA. A warm welcome to Vietnam.
Hello everybody. I am very proud to be here today to share with all of you about the biodegradable plastic market in Vietnam, an overview and the outlook for the next few years. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Long, and I'm working for NFAT Holdings as a deputy CEO and the head of bioplastic business. We focus mainly on biodegradable plastic as one of the solutions for substituting the single-use plastic. NFAT Holding is also a member of Vietnam Plastic Association. Therefore, we are proud to be here to contribute to the conference, and we would like to share our vision to support the plastic and the biodegradable market in Vietnam to grow sustainably. I am also the chairman of the Association of Eco-Friendly Products Manufacturers in Vietnam, a network of manufacturer, supplier, professional service firm having a mission to promote eco-friendly products to contribute to the environmental protection. In our network, we have around 50 companies. Some of our members are shown in their logo here. We work with the capital company, international organization, non-profit organization, and government to raise funds, boost investment in technology and innovation in sustainable business. Since the last 50 years, plastic have replaced many materials and become one of the best materials for us to live easier and have a better life, as plastic are cheap, light, and more versatile than most other alternatives. However, in the last 10 years, we have realized that plastic become a serious pollution to the environment because it is not easy to collect and recycle it. As you can see on the diagram, it is reported that in 2020, more than 250 million tons of plastic have been wasted, and more than 40% of them are mismanaged in the waste treatment system. Therefore, we must take action to bend the mismanaged curve to reduce the plastic pollution problem. Among many solutions, EPMA is promoting the solution to reduce and substitute the plastic by alternative material. As you can see on the slide, our member can produce different products from a different eco-friendly material such as paper, wood, rattan, aluminum, glass, cellulose, and biodegradable plastic. And biodegradable plastic is one part of the EPMA association, which is also one part of the Vietnam Plastic Association. And I'm here today as a member of both associations to give you more idea about this market in Vietnam. The biodegradable market in Vietnam is in the last year are around 700 to 10,000 tons per year, mainly export. And the biggest export market in Europe, which is count 56%. The key players in Vietnam are NFAT Bioplastic and BASF and also other. The biodegradable plastic products are present in the coffee shop, restaurant, as a bag, cutlery, and straw. It has been used for many campaign activity to reduce the plastic waste along the coast of Vietnam. Some big brands like Vinpearl, Vinamilk, Pizza for P, Mercure are using those products, and it's also well distributed via online shopping platform like Tiki, Lazada. One good example that last year in 2022, the SEA Games is a similar Olympic game for only Southeast Asian country has been organized for its 31st time in Vietnam, and it is the first green event with zero plastic waste. During this event, uh, EPMA Association has supplied biodegradable plastic product to this important event of the year. The policy and regulation of Vietnam for plastic has been implemented since 2010. Vietnam already moved in advance compared to other countries in the region to reduce the plastic waste because Vietnam is one of the most population country along the coast. Recently in 2022, Vietnam has been modified the law of the environmental protection, where it is introduced the roadmap for the implementation of extended producer responsibility. Whereas from the 1st January of 24, plastic producer and importer must pay their responsibility for the recycling of the plastic product. Therefore, we project that the demand of the biodegradable plastic will be around 80,000 tons per year in 2030, with the participant of around 25 companies. And we also need to import from a different country. So as you can see on the right, we expect that the growth of the demand of the biodegradable plastic product, especially for our company Anfat, will grow very quick. In the next part, I would like to introduce about Anfat Holdings, a 100 private uh, mm, owned company with a group with 18 company working in 6 different business units, and one of them is bioplastic. Anfat Holding has a vision to become the leading group in high technology and environmental friendly plastic in Southeast Asia. The bioplastic business, where that I am the leader right now, uh, we have the company for R&D, for resin and compounding and finished product, and under our brand name is Unbio and Uneco brand. The product portfolio are diversified, and we are continuously develop the new product to substitute the single-use plastic product. You can see from here we have shopping bag, straw, cutlery, glove, tablecloth, and paper cup. We believe that those products are the products that are difficult to collect and are difficult to recycle. So the solution to replace this by a biodegradable product is the most suitable. However, you may know that nowadays there are still many arguments about the biodegradable plastic product. Some believe that this is not suitable for the future because it must be required the industrial composting system. At ANFAT, we do agree, and therefore, one of our main objectives is to develop the truly home compostable product. We believe that the only solution that can be globally acceptable, especially in Vietnam, we can find a variety of biomaterial that can help to promote the biodegradability of the product. However, in my presentation today, I will focus on our work with PHA. We have tried to blend the PLA and the PHA, and our blend show a faster composting, an improved flexibility, and an enhanced mechanical resistance while keeping the film at 100% bio-based content and its clarity. Some of the products have been developed with PHA blend for shopping bag, cutlery and straw. We try the accelerated biodegradation test and mechanical test for the bag. We have also found the way to fix the heat sealing. However, we are still to working hard to improve the undesirable odor from the PHA, the heat sealing for the some case, and ensuring that the product can be 100% home compostable. For the last slide, I would like to remind you some of the key takeaway for my presentation. First is that we are proudly to have EPMA Association as a network to gather all manufacturer and business to promote the development of eco-friendly product and sustainable lifestyle in Vietnam. One of our solutions to work out with the Vietnam Plastic Association is biodegradable plastic, and we believe that this is the key material for the future with the potential demand of 80,000 tons per year in 2030. Considering as a pioneer of the bioplastic in Vietnam, Anphat Holding are continuously develop new material and product toward the home compostable. Anphat Holding is also planning to build the first PBAT plant in Vietnam with a capacity of 30,000 tons per year. So thank you for your listening and your attention. Please do not hesitate to give us your question, and please send the question by email in the below of the slide. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the keynote about the current developments in Southeast Asia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you've enjoyed the lectures so far. And now you deserve your first coffee break. Take a breather for 10 or let's say 12, 13 minutes. Relax your mind and please come back around 10:45 Central European Time. We'll then kick off our first session about bioeconomy and raw materials. And at this point, we'd like to express our big thanks to our supporters and partners, especially to the organizer Polycum, to the Federal Ministry of Economics and Climate Protection, and our main supporters, EPMA, Rubio, and Exipnos. Thank you so much for your great support. Without you, this Congress wouldn't have been possible.